Welcome to another quick tutorial about montage recording. This is part 2 of a series and related to the Music Production Guide, issue 6, 2017. Let's start with the application called MONTAGE Connect, which you can get for free from the website download.yamaha.com. Just visit the website, use the search functionality and type in MONTAGE Connect. There you will find the download link as well as related downloads. MONTAGE Connect can be used standalone and also as VST plugin for Cubase. When you start the application with a proper USB connection to Montage, it immediately connects and shows online in blue. For this example, I move over to the song import page. I deleted my song memory and so far there's nothing to display. Now I will record a few bars using the Montage onboard recorder. Immediately after finishing, the new recording appears in MONTAGE Connect. If you change the name, you can use the button Update Song List to update the name in MONTAGE Connect as well. By drag and drop, you can quickly save the MIDI file to a volume on your computer. You can also save the referring performance. The tab Recall opens up the start page. By clicking on the Transfer button, the performance is sent to the application using a bulk request. The Save tab opens up a page where you can name the performance and save it to a selected location on your computer. The following example shows how to use MONTAGE Connect as a VST plugin for Cubase. First, I start Cubase AI with a blank project. Within the VST Instruments area, you can find and activate MONTAGE Connect. I click on Add Track and it opens up with a recall window. Now I click the Transfer button to get the performance imported from Montage. A really cool thing at this point is that you can use Cubase Media Bay to store different versions of the performance within the project. In order to do this, I click on the small icon and choose Store Preset, give it a name and confirm with OK. Now moving over to the tab where the magic happens. Song Import. Simply drag the song into the empty main project page. It then appears with separated MIDI tracks, each one referring to a recorded montage part. Remember, all parts under keyboard control are recorded simultaneously. You can now rename tracks and tweak the MIDI data to complete your project. All new MIDI tracks are automatically routed to the Montage MIDI port 1 and the transmit channel is set per part correctly. All the arpeggio data are divided to separate tracks. Before you play back your Cubase project, be sure to use the ARP bypass function on Montage, found under Utility, Effect Switch, and turn the Montage to Local off, Utility, Settings, MIDI I/O. By the way, the MIDI I/O mode for this example must be set to multi. That's it so far. Now I want to demonstrate the ability to record track by track on Montage. First, I deactivate the ARP bypass and turn local on again. Then I choose another performance. In this case, I start recording my first part including the arpeggios by simply using the record button again, which opens up a new song. After my first recording, I go to the performance home screen and turn off keyboard control for all parts that I don't need to record anymore. Just the solo part stays active. As mentioned in part 1 of this video series, it is again important to first use play rec from the montage display and then the record button to continue recording on this particular song. The record type should now be changed to overdub. Then I can simply record my solo part. Remember, when you're not happy with the additional recording, there's the undo, which just deletes the last recording. Let's say you want to record another part which doesn't exist in this performance. It's easy to do. I switch back to the performance home screen and add the part I wanted to work with. I deactivate keyboard control for the previous recorded part and the arpeggio for the new part. Then I go back to the play rec screen and start recording. In the next example, I'd like to demonstrate how to use a MIDI file. MIDI files can be loaded directly from a connected USB drive. I go to Utility, Contents, Load, and set the content type to MIDI file. Then I access the file I want to work with. The loading process loads a copy of this file directly to the montage memory. If the file is proper programmed using a general MIDI reset command, the multi-GM performance from the category Init will be loaded. Recording audio is easy. It just works if a USB flash drive is connected. You can immediately start recording whatever you want. Audio is being recorded as a WAV file, 44.1 kHz 24-bit. You can start recording manually or use the dedicated trigger level to start recording automatically. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.